All right, in this lesson we're going to be looking at the anatomy of a polynomial. A polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms. For example, 3x to the fifth power plus 2x minus 5 minus x squared plus 7x to the fourth plus 4x cubed is a polynomial. A term is a signed number, a variable or a constant multiplied by a variable or variables. Terms are separated by a plus or a minus. In the polynomial above, there are 6 terms. The degree of each term is determined by the exponents. If there is more than one variable in the term, you will add the exponents for all of the variables. If you just have one variable, then the degree is going to be the power for that one variable. And the degree is going to be 0 if there is no variable, just a constant. Polynomials have whole number exponents, no negatives, fractions, or decimals, etc. Term's coefficient is the number in front of the variable. In the polynomial above, the coefficient of the last term is 4. Standard form of a polynomial. A polynomial is in standard form when the terms are in order from largest exponent to the smallest on the letter that is first alphabetically. So we take the polynomial above, put it in standard form. It's 3x to the fifth plus 7x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 5. And then the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the first term whenever the polynomial is written in standard form. The leading coefficient above is 3. All right, first example, we want to determine what the coefficient, degree, and how we would name each one of these terms. So for 3x to the fifth, the coefficient is 3. The degree is 5. And the name is quintic. For the next term, 7x to the fourth, the coefficient is 7. The degree is 4. And the name would be quartic, since the exponent is 4. For 4x cubed, the coefficient is 4. The degree is 3. And the name would be cubic, because it has an exponent of 3. For negative x squared, the coefficient is -1. The degree is 2. And the name would be a quadratic. It's a quadratic term. And then 2x has a coefficient of 2. The degree is 1. And the name would be, that is a linear term. You have a variable, just one variable to a power of 1, that's considered a linear term. And then a variable to the power of 0 or no variable, just a number, is considered a constant. So the coefficient would be -5. The degree is 0, since this is the same thing as -5x to the 0 power. And it is a constant because the variable has a power of 0. All right, for a polynomial that has one term, we call it a monomial. These are examples of monomials. 2 terms is called a binomial, like a bicycle. These are examples of binomials, 2 terms. 3 terms is a trinomial. So you have 3 terms separated by pluses and or minuses. Pluses or minuses, and then the 4th terms is just called a polynomial. And lastly, for the first polynomial, 3x squared minus 2xy plus 1, the degree is going to be 2 because the first term has a degree of 2, and that second term also has a degree of 2. Whenever you add the exponent for the x and the y, you get 2. That polynomial has 3 terms, and we would name that polynomial a quadratic because the degree of the polynomial is 2. A quadratic trinomial because it has 3 terms. And the lead coefficient is going to be 3. For that next polynomial, the degree is 4 because of that second term, 4x to the 4th. That's the highest degree for each one of the terms. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. And again, since the degree is 4, we would refer to it as a quartic. And then it has 5 terms. So polynomial, quartic polynomial. The lead coefficient is the number in front of the variable for the term with the highest degree, so it would be 4. The degree for that next, for 3, the degree is just 0. That's the same thing as 3x to the 0 power, and it's just 1 term. So since the degree is 0, we just say it's a constant, and 1 term refers to a monomial. Only coefficient there is 3. Next term, the degree is 1. The number of terms is 2, so it would be a monomial, linear binomial because the degree is 1 and there's 2 terms. Lead coefficient is 2. And then next we have a degree of 5. There's 2 terms. So we would refer to this as a quintic binomial. The lead coefficient is -22. And for a cubic trinomial, the degree would be 3 since it's cubic. The number of terms would be 3 since it's a trinomial. And an example of what that type of cubic trinomial would look like would be x cubed plus 2x minus 1. And for that polynomial that I have listed, the lead coefficient is 1.